Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add a welcome bot in Discord. So adding a welcome bot to your Discord server creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere for new members. Now to add a welcome bot, basically here select the server and then click on the server name right there at the top left hand corner of your screen and click on the drop down menu. Now from here, as you can see, you just have to click on the app directory right from here. Once you click on that, as you can see the search box, so we're going to type ProBot and then click enter on your keyboard. Now here, you just need to select the second here, the ProBot with this star icon beside that ProBot name. So basically click on this one, and here as you can see the details, and we're going to click on add to server. Now once you click on that, you will now go to this page. As you can see, you just need to allow all of the settings here to the developer of this ProBot. Now once done here, you can add a server and then click on continue button. So make sure to confirm all of the grant permissions and then click on this option which is authorize. And then basically here you just need to confirm you're not a robot. So you just need to follow all the instructions. So once done here, as you can see on your screen right now, so we are now on your ProBot. So we have options here or settings that we're going to customize. So basically here at the left side of your screen, you can find that welcome and goodbye. So right there. And then an option shows up here. We're going to click on send a message when the user joined the server. So if you enable this one, you can type here any message that the user can see if they join the server. So this is just an example. So for example, we're going to type welcome and then the server name. And here on the send option, as you can see, you can send as DM, direct message, or send to a channel. So we're going to select to a channel and then select that channel here. And then once done, click on save changes button. Now, once you click on save changes button, as you can see, you will now be able to see that welcome message. So for example, here, if you're going back to the main page, and I'm going to use another account here. So basically, if you want to show them that welcome message, just need to invite them on your server. So click on that and click on invite people. And here you just have to copy this link. And once they paste this link to join the server, then they will receive that welcome message. So that's it. That's how you basically add the welcome bot on Discord. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.